All right, guys, we're back with Richard. Another 63 ragtop. What are we doing here? Richard, what are you asking?
35.
35. How about you split it with me? Let's do, would you do 32.5?
I'll do 32.5.
You do 32.5? Doing it? All right, thank you. All right, 63 rag. Let's load it up.
That was good. You had a lot of energy.
I'm stoked. I just bought Herbie. Wouldn't you be happy?
I'm stoked because I got $32,000.
Let's bring. Wait 1 sec. Delworks, come on in here. I just want to get this on film.
Yeah.
Just want to get this on film. Are you good with this? That's a lot of money.
It is a lot of money.
So this isn't going to be no down payment, no monthly payment, free, loading and hauling. And let me guess, it's going to my shop.
Of course it's going to your shop.
Of course, so I'm going to have to store it.
Yeah.
How about 1,000 down, 500 a month? You good with that?
We can handle that.
All right, let's do it. Let's load it up. We're doing it.
Now I'm watching it, that one. It's on film.
There you go, buddy. There's your 63 ragtop.
This is not what I just shook on.
That's your car. Will he restore it? Stay tuned.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be beautiful.
Yeah. Well, let's get a look at this thing. I'm excited.
Let's not put any dents in it. I gotta buff this paint out.
So, Herbie replica?
You never know.
Just say no.
I don't want to say no.
You will
I was
say
thinking
no.
about
Really?
It. I was.
Well, the
yeah,
video
it's all
video
done.
is titled "Buying a Herb." So this is technically well, we'll show you here in a minute. All right, big reveal. Oh, red top. Matches mine. Where are you going?
Which way are we going?
Go to the
From
front
the
reveal here, buddy.
Okay. Oh, that's sharp.
Right, I see some patina. Oh, look at that patina, huh?
Yeah.
Look at you.
Oh.
Oh, pop outs. These are mine.
Digging the Michelin tires.
Oh, MXZs?
XYZs.
XYZs?
Or XDX or something.
Something like that.
X.
Oh, you got your little tins. You got a good mirror. You got a...
Sideways antenna.
I'm excited. This thing's got a sweet look to it. You should restore mine. I'll roll this one.
No.
No?
No. No.
Oh.
Yeah, but, oh. Yeah.
This. This is what you need. Trendsetter right there.
The hole behind the plate, eh?
How is it?
Heater channels are pretty solid.
Are they?
This
yeah.
one is. From this angle, don't want to touch anymore. Might fall apart.
I gotta bring them in. This car's not too bad.
No mice.
Got
so
a
that's
key.
a win. There's a key.
You got radio.
Seat frames.
Yeah, the rockers are actually pretty solid.
Yeah. Rubber mats.
Red interior.
Red interior, red top.
You got a horn ring, unlike mine.
Radio.
Yeah, key,
Sapphire
key and
1, a
everything.
key. What's in the glove box, you think?
Firewall looks pretty good. Well,
Let's save that.
let's get it loaded up and we'll do a
do a full clean.
we'll do a full walk around and inside.
We'll
I
find
think
out
it's
what's
got
in the
a
glove box later.
sweet look to it though.
Yeah.
First push.
First push.
Go backwards.
Go backwards.
All right, we're good. Oh, she will! Look at this! Butter! These rescues just get easier and easier. I love it. Hand the guy to steer. Don't work to push. You can get out of there, Rich.
Yep.
Yeah, we'll cut it over and then we'll cut it back. Piece of cake. Losing cash. Oh, this is. I might have to buy this back.
No,
I'm gonna cut it back.
Wait a minute, Hunter. Are these hubcaps better than the ones you got?
I'm gonna have this car stripped before Dubworks is out of school.
Cool. Okay, now you're going in the hole.
We're
there
good.
you go.
It's Herbie.
Right, step.
He can get through everything.
So what's the plan?
Oh look! There's more. I guess we're good. I like that car. I like that car a lot.
Yeah?
Clear coat it.
Not for sale.
Clear coat it with the patina on it, right?
That involves clear coat, Rich. Can't do that.
Well, on a patina like this, just so that it doesn't keep rusting.
Yeah, but you know
Preserve
that
the patina.
if I have the car and I go to VinCheck and I have the paperwork,
Yeah, that's
typically I could register it and it would be mine.
that would be yours.
Is it going inside?
That would be cool.
That's what friends do. Friends register other friends' cars
Other friends
for
cook,
them.
so they don't have to go to the
Well, you could register it and then sell it back to them.
For more.
Oh,
for more, of course, of course.
I'd give you an extra cut.
You'd get to keep the 1,000 I just gave you, and then I'd have to pay another $32.50.
You can leave it right here. You can just straighten it out.
crank it out, yeah.
Yeah, cut it.
Cut it,
that
cut
way?
it, and yeah.
Yeah, I'll just back in. I can't believe how easy it rolls. It's gonna be so easy to push around the shop.
Whoa, 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 it's gonna be running by tonight. Oh, what are you talking about?
Oh yeah, you can do a will it run video.
I'll be ripping up and down Main Street with the repair plate on it.
Buddy, I'm starting to fall in love with this thing. I just
No,
wanted you
you're
to know.
No, you're not. Let's not forget who has the Craigslist photo from 2015, okay?
Yeah, and you gotta have Rich in there before Rich swooped in
Bought it out.
and broke your dreams. So give me one good reason why I shouldn't own this car.
Because it was gonna be mine 7 years ago.
7 years ago.
7 years ago.
Tell the story.
So before I got the black 67 that we all know and love, I was perusing the Craigslist and a nice 63 ragtop appeared, you know, pretty local. So we contacted them and it had sold before I could go and get it. And now we know who bought it out from under me. I still got a picture of it though, so I got proof.
Well, tell the story how we were heading over.
Well, we went and looked at the red one,
Right.
and you know, Rich said the other one's a white one. I said, oh, I was gonna look at a white rag top. How funny would it be? So I pulled out the picture I had, you know, from 7 years ago. I said, all right. So we get here and we pull the cover off, and look at that fingerprint of rust stains by the
I already
quarter
knew
windows.
it. Didn't I call it? I said
You
it's
called
gonna
it.
be
You
the
said
car.
it's gonna be the car.
I said it's gonna
It's
be
there.
the car because it was the Scirocco deal.
You had the
We
Scirocco?
were together when we went and bought the Scirocco.
Yep.
I said this is gonna be your 63.
It's Kismet.
Is that what it is?
They call it Kismet.
Yeah.
When it's destiny, it's supposed to happen.
That's right.
It's supposed to happen. It just wasn't supposed to happen 7 years ago.
Yeah,
exactly.
Okay.
because
I didn't have the skills
he didn't
7
have the
years ago
skill
for
set.
this.
The skill
And
set.
now he's
Had to
ready
build it up.
for
Yeah.
the rag top 63. How
Yep.
cool is that? I love that story.
Yeah. So the whole big story is, of course, that I've always wanted a Herbie. And 27 years ago, I came across the red one. And I tend to be I believe in a couple beliefs, a couple axioms in the vintage car world. Rust never sleeps. It's only original once. And stock never goes out of style.
Stop. Never
Okay.
goes out of style.
You just said that.
I just
So,
said that.
so with the red one, I just couldn't bring myself to changing the color to a Herbie to a white. So it kind of, I wanted to restore it, but it just wasn't gonna meet what I really wanted. So 7 years ago, when I saw a white 63 rag top for sale on Craigslist, I jumped so fast on it to get it. Your head would spin. So then I had it, and for 7 years it sat because I'm self-employed and time is a premium for me. And I was on my way to my parents' house, and the Volkswagen show was going on in Harwinton, right? Last year, and there was a Herbie on the side for sale, and my wife told me, I want you to stop and look at the car. And I thought to myself, there is no freaking way I can justify 3 1963 Beetles. There's no way I can buy another car. She will kill me. We went to my parents for Father's Day. On the way back, she says, I want you to call the guy up and talk to him. And her reasoning was, how much is it going to cost you in time and money to get either one of these, the red or this white one, to the point where the Herbie was?
Yeah.
And I said, it's going to cost, if I do all the work myself, it's going to cost the same or more money. If I have somebody else do it, it's a lot more money.
Yeah.
I says, and it's going to take a lot of time that I don't have. So she says, then buy it and sell the other 2. Now, I hated to sell the other 2, but you know, Jason and Robbie here, I know it's going to a good home, so I feel good.
We appreciate it. And the wife has a Gia.
The wife has a Gia.
It's awesome. Well, let's get 63 loaded up. Get it to the shop, get it on the lift, and then we'll see the condition, right?
Well, it'll be painted by tomorrow at least.
Oh, it'll be painted by tomorrow.
I'll be knocking that one out.
Nice.
Yeah.
I just love the way it rolls. I mean, if
It
the car
rolls
rolls,
like-
I'll buy it. If it rolls, because I push cars, so
He pushed the cars around. That's all you would have needed to put in the ad. 62 ragtop rolls, sold.
sold.
Nice. Cash in hand.
It almost looks like Herbie because it's got all the dust, you know, the grime and the road.
This just rolled out at Truden's dealership.
Desert race.
It's the Herbie Goes Bananas one.
All right. Cut it this way a little bit.
That way?
Yeah, I got it. You get on the ramp over there?
I'm just on the ramp, but I'm on it.
Am I gonna be all right?
Man, I love it. Good thing I didn't buy that Snap-on toolbox.
Yeah. Well, there it is, guys. Dubworks 63 Ragtop. Huge thank you to Rich.
Welcome.
Appreciate it.
Good fun.
Absolutely.
Great stories.
Awesome stories all
Dubworks.
around.
Trying to,
Congratulations on your 63 Ragtop.
thank you.
Your long lost.
Long lost.
Long
13
lost.
years old. He's reunited.
Is the green light on?
Yeah, thanks.
Good. Is this like when
Maybe
you
now
didn't,
you'll remind me.
is this like how you didn't remind me to get my bill of sale?
Don't
Purposely
even bring that up.
left the
Been bugging me for months to come get his bus and bring it to VinCheck. What time they close? They close at 1. We got to be there before noon. Got there at 10 of noon. He goes in. He comes out. I knew the answer was no.
She said no.
Doesn't bring his paperwork for VinCheck, bill of sale, registration. And then they didn't even tell him we're going to be back.
I did.
I haul ass back to his house, towing the bus. I get a phone
He had
call.
phone calls.
Yeah, phone call. Is that you towing a bus like you stole it? Get back to his house. Get back to VinCheck. They must have saw us pull in.
And they were like, no, we don't want that.
Walking out, they're like locking the door. I'm like, Tony.
It's
Let's
not
go.
one yet.
Yeah. What time did we get there?
12:20.
12:20.
Tony, I need this thing done. I need the VIN check done. I need it off my trailer. Oh, I shut the system down. Oh boy. So then we gotta. Anyway,
Exciting stuff.
it's always an adventure with this kid. Which, hey, another adventure.
Another adventure.
You're hanging out in the shop.
Yeah.
You're making me weld things, and I get a call. Hey, what did I say?
Let's go check out a couple of rag tops, maybe.
Yeah, do you
wanna
want to go check out a couple rag tops?
Of course I don't. What is this?
We go, we bought the ruby red rag top. Hadn't seen this car yet, no pictures or anything. I said, what does it need? You know, rockers, pans, yada, yada.
Out of the hole.
Made him an offer. He's like, yeah, why don't you see it? He wanted me to see it. So, we jump in the
Jump
car.
in the truck. We're rolling. Say, hey, you know what? I almost bought a white rag top once.
Yeah, I told him
Yeah.
it was white. He says, tells me the story. I already knew it. I said, this is going to be your car. So we get there. We didn't film while we were there uncovering it. And he has a photo off Craigslist
Off Craigslist from 7 years ago.
when he was 13. And of this side of the car. And you can see the rust lines up
Matches. I'm like FBI up in here.
perfectly. I looked at him, but I was under the car, and I looked at him, and he gave me the nod. So we got a deal on both of them. So pretty stoked, pretty stoked. So we got 63 rags in here. What are the plans for this? I love this car.
I know you do.
I love this car.
Yeah.
This car just talks to me.
No, full resto.
Full rest.
Full resto. No patina here.
I do like this car.
Take a very sizable cash offer.
Uh-oh. Was that your GoPro?
That was my GoPro.
Oh, that was this camera.
Take
A sizable offer?
Sizable offer. 6 digits.
To what? Buy this car?
Yeah. 6 digits.
He just told me a minute ago I still own it. Now he's selling it.
No, you pay me. I'll pay you what I owe, and then I'll have the spare.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh boy. So check out Dubworks channel if you want to see this thing fully restored, huh?
Fully restored.
Going fully.
You never know. It could say 53 on it.
I don't think so. Is it going to happen in here?
I mean, you never know. Full resto will happen here.
Oh.
You might kick me out if I try to put stickers on it.
Awesome. I love it, man. I'm stoked for you. So check out Dubworks channel. I'd appreciate it. And this thing, May 1st is the New England, Connecticut dust off. I'm calling myself out. This car will be there. Yikes!
Wow. Does that mean you're going to work on something?
I didn't say it, but be on the trailer. It's gonna be there.
That's true. It'll still be there.
I'm gonna be sleeping in it overnight or something.
What'd you bring to the dust off out of the Tundra?
Yeah. So probably gonna do the bare minimum just to get it running and driving. I did get it registered, and
He's got a lot of life left in him.
because I would like to get it to the dust off. So that's it.
Yeah.
So hey, congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you. Reunited with his 63 ragtop car.
Yeah.
Was it 7 years?
7 years.
7 years
2015.
So that's going to do it for us. Thank you guys for dropping in. If you want to see more, again, check out Dubworks channel. And we'll have more on these 63 ragtops. I'm really looking forward to it. So have a good week, and we'll see you soon. Take care, guys.